So here's how you get the wax off an apple. My family calls this polishing it. First thing is you're going to rinse the apple off under water. Then you're going to take a paring knife and go around the apple and scrape it. And you can see little pieces of white stuff, that is the wax. So I'm going to go along and do this all over the apple. And some parts of it have more wax than others, but just going all around the apple. You can see all kinds of white stuff all over it. That's the wax we're taking off. When I get back to where I started, I'll see the initial wax. I'm going to do a little bit extra here at the top and bottom of my apple. So now I've got all this stuff off. I want to get rid of it, so I'm going to rinse it. So I'm going to rinse my knife as well. I'm going to thoroughly rinse my apple this time. And now it is washed and polished and ready to eat.